Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to open apps in pop-up view on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. So in order to do that, we need to open the app that we want to open in the pop-up view. So let's say I'm gonna choose TikTok. And once you open it, what you need to do is open the background apps or recent. You want to press and hold your finger on the app to open additional options. And then you have this icon over here with one big rectangle and then another rectangle inside of that. So you want to press this button in order to open in the floating window or pop-up view. If you do this for the first time, you will have this information how to use it, so we can drag a floating window by its upper edge to move it around or tap to view more options. Then we can also drag lower corners to resize. So let's take a look. As you can see, we can adjust the size like so. We can drag from the top. We can tap at the top in order to move it like so. If needed, we can switch it to the split screen and so on and so forth. And if you want to exit the pop-up view, then what you need to do is tap on these three dots at the top, and then you can press this square that indicates the full screen. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.